Do you know why stainless steel jewelry doesn't tarnish? Today we're visiting the source of stainless steel jewelry in China, Guangdong, Chang'an, and I will show you the entire process from design to finished product. Step 1. Design and mold making. Designers create sketches. 3D printed molds are made. Step 2. Forming the jewelry base. The stainless steel plate in my hand will be transferred into jewelry. Laser engraving, casting, welding, cleaning. This process is produced more refining jewelry. Step 3. Polishing. Craftsmen use polishing wheels and compound to smooth the surface and give it a shiny finish. Step 4. Plating. And this is the secret to stainless steel jewelry that never tarnishes. Most pieces are coated with PVD vacuum plating, adding a thick protective layer. This not only allows for more colors, but also makes the jewelry scratch-resistant and waterproof. Even after wearing it daily for 2 years, it will hardly fade. Step 5. Quality check and packaging. Every piece undergoes strict inspection before leaving the factory. Only products that meet standards are shipped worldwide. The secret behind stainless steel jewelry doesn't tarnish lies in every step of the process. So subscribe Nihao Jewelry to learn more about jewelry.